thought I'd do a little catch-up video. So, got the cam, of course, put in, the retainer plate, put the Torx bolts on the retainer plate. I did use Loctite blue medium on those, because they only get, I don't know, it wasn't very much. I can't remember, maybe 11 foot-pounds or something. And then, of course, the cam gear that I got from Josh Hook, appreciate that. 3-bolt cam gear. I put ARP studs in that, followed their directions on that. Got all that put together, cleaned the gasket surfaces real good, put a new gasket in, put the GM gray silicone or gasket sealant in the corners like you're supposed to right here, and then on the other side as well. And brought all the boats up to, I think it was 18 foot-pounds maybe on front boats. I can't recall, but I believe that's what those were. But before I did that, that's one of the important things. I left it loose, started to install the pulley so that it lined up with the seal. And I put a new seal in the plate too. I bought a new oil seal for the front cover plate, put a new oil seal on that. And then after I put the plate up there, I started the pulley on to get it lined up. Then I tightened all the boats down, or got several of them tight so it wouldn't move, and went ahead and tightened everything up then. So that's real important that you let that oil seal, I heard, get lined up and not just tighten those down and then drive it on. So then I got the gasket surfaces cleaned on the heads, and or on the block rather, and got the dowel pins locators put back in on this side, and put the of course the lifters in, and the new buckets, new LS7 lifters. The lifters have an oil galley on them that comes out on one side of the lifter. The best I could find out from research was that it doesn't really matter, but it's best to do them all consistently. So those are all pointing towards the front of the engine on both of them. That's the way I installed them. I use ProComp boats from Jegs, quite a bit cheaper than ARP and just about as good. You might not get quite as many cycles out of them as you would in ARP, but quite a bit cheaper too. So I went ahead and went with them, but better than the GMs. I do have the GM studs, but it's doing it in the car would have been tough on those back ones using the angle indicator. So I went ahead and upgraded that. Of course, new head gasket. I can't think of anything else that I've done so far. I'm about ready to call it a night. My back is kind of hurting me from leaning over, so we'll go at it again tomorrow.